Social media pages in 2018 are absolutely riddled with ads, and Snapchat used to be one of the platforms that you could use that didn't really have any advertisements on it. But with the rise of Snapchat discovery and brands paying Snapchat big money to put their advertisements in front of your eyes, I'm going to be showing you how you can get rid of those adverts and get rid of them forever. So it's actually quite simple to do. All you have to do is load up your Snapchat app. If we just load that one up there and then scroll to your stories, then you've got to scroll down all the way to the bottom where your discovery tab is. You've got your featured, your shows, our stories, and your daily stories. So all you've got to do is choose one that you don't want to be seeing anymore. So I don't want to be seeing stuff from Sky Sports. You tap and hold on that particular story and you click hide story. And then it will be hidden from your story screen and it automatically disappears. And every single one that you do that to, you're not going to get any content from those providers anymore. So if you just go through all of these and get rid of them, then they're going to be gone. To get them back, if you scroll over to the other side, you can see all of your Discover ads, and all you've got to do is press and hold on one of them and click subscribe, and then you'll receive their stuff again. If you decide you want a certain featured story back, then all you have to do is scroll over to the right onto the Discover tab, and then you're going to see all of the featured stories on there. Then if you press and hold on one that you've gotten rid of, you can just click on subscribe and you'll get it back instantly, no problem. So that's all you need to do in order to remove featured content from your Snapchat page. If you like this video, be sure to drop a like down below, and as always, I'll see you all in the next video.